Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where fuses relays are located for the dash screen. We're talking about the dash display on GMC Terrain, this generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Guys, please do not waste your money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. And by the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will guys share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here in the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos guys that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. The dash screen, dash display guys, fuses, relays come to show you where you can expect to find them. We will demonstrate on that generation GMC Terrain right here. Quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in it. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Terrain Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Go ahead and open the passenger side door. When you do that, in the footwell compartment on the passenger side, you see on the side of the center console right here, right in front of the arrow, you have a cover. That cover, you grab it on the bottom and you pull it out. And when you do that, you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. And guys, here now what we need to check specifically for the dash screen display. If you have problems with it, okay, we need to check one main fuse, but we will explain what else you may need to check in secondary thing guys. And the main fuse will be located, it's in that row here, that's 5, 7, 9, 11, 15. Fuse number 15, that's the one that you will guys need to check, that's the main fuse. But you may need to check guys, okay, if you have problems with it, pull that fuse, even if it's a good fuse, let the system stay without it for about 10 minutes, put it back in, see if it fixes it. If not, you may do the same thing for the radio fuses. Okay, the radio fuse can cause the dash screen display not to work as well. If you don't know where the radio fuses are located, we'll have the video on the channel for any of you looking for that. So guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump, you don't have one, you may be stuck there. So get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below with you where you can get them from. Check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.